On this video today, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly method that you can use to make money with CPA marketing without any skills and without any experience. The best part is that I'm going to show you an offer with higher payout that you can promote to earn a lot of money anytime you get a lead. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the detail. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join ClickBank, you can join CPA League, you can join CPA Build, you can join OGRs or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm going to be using CPAGrip. CPAGrip is available worldwide, so you can search for it and then create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer that you can promote to earn money on CPAGrip. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote on CPAGrip, but what you have to do is that you have to select a country where you have a traffic source. CPA offers are country specific. What it means is that all the offers are not allowed to be promoted to any part in the world. They are allowed to be promoted to a specific country. So you have to first of all find a country where you have a traffic source before you search for the offers. In this case, I'm going to be promoting offers in Canada. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then find Canada so that you can find offers in that country to promote. If you don't want Canada, there are a lot of different countries that you can click on and then find offers that you can promote to earn money. There are a lot of different countries. As I scroll, you can see many countries. We are going to be promoting offers in Canada, so just search for it here. Once you search for it, you can see Canada. Click on it. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you can see these are the offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see the first one, get your $500 back to school gift cards. That is what your potential visitors are going to get, and if they enter their details to get access to the offer, you are going to be paid $12.83. You can see it here. The offer is allowed on desktop, and the requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter a PIN code, so they have to verify their PayPal details so that you can get paid. You can see the second one is the same offer, but the difference is that the first one is allowed on desktop and the second one is allowed on Apple iOS. It's the same offer, so any of them that you want, you can select it and then promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting the first one, so click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the one here. This offer is allowed in Canada. This is the amount that you're going to earn per every lead that you get, $12.83. You can see the requirement, verify with your PayPal. So your potential visitors have to verify with their PayPal details. Once they verify, they can get access to $500 back to school gift card. Even if they enter their details and they are not able to win the prize, you are still going to be paid. The most important thing is that you should get the people who live in Canada to enter their PayPal details and then verify it. Whether they win the offer or not, you are still going to be paid since it is a lead. Now, once you have gotten to know all the details, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source where you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then verify with their PayPal details so that you can be paid. There are two ways that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can use the paid traffic sources, so you can use platforms like Facebook or any other social media network so that you can get people to click on your link and then verify with their PayPal for you to get paid. You can also use the paid traffic source, which means you are going to be paying per every click that you get or per impression. It depends on what you want. The paid traffic source is going to give you quick results, whilst the free traffic source, it might take some time. So in this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the paid traffic source so that you can use it and then make money very fast on CPAGrip. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is push.house. On this website, you can advertise your affiliate links at a very cheap cost. The best part is that you can select any ad format that you want. You can see iOS push, in-page push, native ads, push campaign. So any of them that you want, you can select it. You can target any country that you want in the world. And you can see right here, these are their cost per clicks. It is very low. You can see the countries and the cost per clicks. Everything is very, very low. You can see a whole lot of them. All the countries are very low. So if you buy traffic on this website, you are going to be getting high return on your investment since the cost per click is very low. Now what you have to do is that you have to create your account so that you can begin using the platform. To create an account, you can click on sign up, or If you want, you can scroll upwards, click here, sign up, so that you can create your free account. Once you click on sign up, you're going to enter your name, your email address, your password. Once that is done, you are going to click here and then select the medium that you want to use to be communicating with them. You can use your Skype, you can use your Telegram. So just select the one that is suitable for you and then enter your username here. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, you are going to click here, sign up, so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are now going to work the talk. So you have to create your first campaign so that you can be getting traffic on this website. To create a campaign, click here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to enter your campaign name. So you can enter any name that you want, because no one is going to see this name. You are the only one who see the name, so just enter any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type school. So type school. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to select the category. So click on it. Once you click on it, just scroll down and then select the suitable category for your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select sweepstakes, so click on it. Once you select your campaign, you are going to select your ad format. You can see they have push notification, in-page notification. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to use the first one. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see target URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, you are going to click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see traffic setting. The first one is push house traffic and the second one is feed traffic. Any of them that you want, you can select it, or if you want both, you can select them. In this case, I'm going to leave it with both. Once that is done, you can see country and rate. Click on it and then select the country that you are targeting. The offer is allowed in Canada. You can see the offer is allowed in Canada. You can see it right here. So you have to select Canada. So click on it. Once you click on it, search for Canada. Just search for Canada. You can see Canada here. Click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you are going to set your cost per click. You can see this is the cost per click, this is the recommended one, and this is the top one. If you want, you can enter your own cost per click that is lower than this. But if your cost per click is too low, you are not going to be getting a lot of traffic. So since the amount is very low, you are going to select it so that you can be getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. You can see the cost per click is very low. So before you even spend $1, you should have gotten more than 100 clicks. And out of those 100 clicks, even if 5 people enter their details, you are going to be gaining a lot of profit. So you can set it with the top byte. Once you set it on top byte, your campaign is going to rank higher than your competitors. So make sure you select the top byte since it is very low. You can also use the recommended one. Any option that you want, you can select it. So make sure you enter a reasonable cost per click, but I recommend you should use the top byte so that your campaign can be ranked higher than your competitors. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see city. If you want to select any city in Canada, you can select that. But in this case, we are selecting all cities in Canada. You can see the cities in Canada, but we are targeting all. We want all cities in Canada to get access to our offer. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see group. If you have a campaign group, you can select it. By this time, you don't have a campaign group, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see audience. You don't have an audience, so just leave it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see targeting device. If you are targeting all devices, you can select all, but in this case the offer is allowed on desktop, so select desktop. When you come back on CPAGrip, you can see desktop here. That means the offer is allowed on desktop, so you have to select desktop. Once you select desktop, you can see OS version Android. That is operating system version Android. We are not targeting Android device, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see everything is Android. So what you have to do is that you have to exclude them all. You can see they are included, which means people using Android can get access to the offer, but we don't want them to get access to the offer, so click on exclude. So all those who are using Android are not going to see our offer. Once that is done, you can see browser language. You are going to click on it and then select the appropriate language. In this case, we are going to set for English because the people who live in Canada speak English, so select English. Once that is done, you are also going to set for French because some people in Canada speak French, so select French. Once you select the language, you can see subscription age, just leave it. Once that is done, you can see browsers. There is no restriction, so we are going to leave it all browsers. Once you select the browsers, the next step is that if you want, you can set your campaign budget limit. You can see if you leave it blank, that means there is no limit. the daily campaign budget limit. If you leave it blank, it means there is no limit. You can see general clicks limit, there is no limit. You can see daily clicks, no limit. We are not going to limit anything, but if you want, you can limit it. So you can see there may be an overrun of the limit. It is a warning. Even if you enter a limit, they can overrun it. You can see per our cost per click, you can see the number of clicks that you are going to be getting. You can see the number of clicks, you can see the number of clicks. As you can see, you can even get up to 623 clicks. You can see it here. Apart from that, you can also schedule your campaign. So if you don't want your ad to run on specific days of the week or on specific hours of the day, you can select that. You can see everything. So any of the day that you don't want your ad to run, you can deselect it. But in this case, I want the ad to run on all days and at all times, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see creative. So you have to enter the details of your campaign. You have to enter the title and the description. For the title, you can come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the offer title. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done, but you can see all the characters are not allowed. Get your $500 back to school. That is the limit of words that is allowed. Once that is done, if you want, you can add an emoji. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any emoji that you want. You can see a whole lot of different emojis. Select the one that you want. Once you select the emoji, the next step is that you are going to paste your description here. You can come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can add more text. So let me add something like act now to when. Act now to when. You can add something like this. Once that is done, you can also add emojis. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can use any of the emojis that you want. You can see a whole lot of different emojis. Any of them that you want, you can select it and then enter it. In this case, I've used this emoji. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see icon and then image. So you have to upload all of them so that your ad can get people to click on it. To get images of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPAGrip, right click on the offer image, select save images. Once you select save images, you are going to click on save and the image has been saved onto your device. Once the image is saved onto your device, the next step is that you are going to click on upload. Once you click on upload, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You are going to crop it this way. Once you crop it, click on crop so that your image can be uploaded. You can see it right here. Once that is done, click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, select the same image, click on open. You can see the image has been uploaded. You are going to crop it. So crop it like this. Once you crop it, click on cropped. As you can see, that has been done. Now you can see the preview of your ad on Android. When you click on Windows, this is how it is going to appear to the audience. You can see on Mac OS, this is how it is going to appear. You can see this is the preview of your ad. Once you have entered all the details, you can see here we recommend testing a minimum of 2 hours. Combination of logo plus large image plus text per company. So what they are saying is that you have to run 2 hours so that this website can get to know the ad that is getting you the best results. Once they get to know the ad that is getting you the best results, you can close the one that is not giving you the best results, so that the one which is giving you best results can run and you are going to be getting people who enter their details for you to make money. This is our first campaign. In your case, you have to create 2 of these so that they can determine the one that is best for you. Once that is done, just click on start campaign so that your campaign can be created. You can see success. Campaign has been successfully created. Once your campaign is created, you can see it here, no funds. You don't have funds in your account, so what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your account so that your ad can begin running and you are going to be getting people who click on it and then enter their details. So you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money into your accounts, you are going to click on finance. Once you click on finance, you are going to select your method of payment so that you can deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use. If you want Visa, MasterCard, Web Money, PayPal, Bitcoin, Capitalist, any of them that you want, you can select it and then use it to deposit money into your accounts. The minimum deposit is $50, so you have to enter $50. Once you enter the $50, select your method of payment and then click on top up. Once you click on it, follow the prompt so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit the money, your ad is going to start running and you are going to be getting people who live in Canada to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. Apart from making money with CPA marketing, there is another way that you can use to make money from home. You can create and sell digital products online to make money from home. You can create your own product, price it at any amount that you want, and then sell it. If you want to learn how to create a digital product, just click on this link at the description of this video so that you can get access to my ebook that will show you step by step on how to create and sell digital products. So just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you are going to see the book like this. I've decided to decrease the price for my viewers, so make sure you take action now before I increase it. Again, you can see this is the original price, but I have decreased it to $2.49. This price will not last. Within some time, I'm going to increase it to the original price. So make sure you take action now so that you can be part of those who have the privilege to download it at a cheaper cost. So just click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your payment method so that you can get access to the book. That is how best I can help you to make money from home. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.